here's a park. It's like a couple of blocks down from our house. It's called Garrett East Side Park thing. And it's like literally blocks down from our park where we live. We live all the way down there. I gotta tell my sister about this. She will. But I think that thing right there, that giant sign thing, I think it looks like a stage thing or something. I knew there was a sign all the way down there saying about East Park or something. But here's a park for little kids. And basketball, we could. My sister has a basketball. I'm not sure she has it in her room, but we can literally play basketball. There's only one basketball hoop. The park we used to went to all the time has two basketball, one for the left side of the spot and the other one for the right side. Literally, first time when we went down here. There's no dogs, $3 fine over here, but I'll walk around my neighborhood and it's fine. I don't know why there's signs around the neighborhood. And that neighborhood says $3 fine for no dog. There's only one thing that Maddie's really missing, but Maddie has to be with me. People don't understand that. So, no, I don't care. It's so stupid where you have sign for the main street, then you have sign down here says $3 fine. Why would you want a $3 fine for it? I can't just walk around my neighborhood. Because my dog loves taking a walk. When we get bored, if she sees me holding a leash, she'll notice that means, oh, let's go take a walk. This is more pathetic and stupid as well. So, hold on, Maddie. One more. Do you see any cars? Do you see any? No? Okay. No. Anyway. Down that way right there. Down that way, so stupid. Same thing again. Maddie doesn't. Come on, Maddie. No, we can't go that way. Come on. Come on, let's go straight to where our place we know. And someone get everything going.